In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to your Squarespace website. Adding a privacy policy is an essential step to ensure that your visitors understand how their data is being used and protected. It's not only a good practice, but often a legal requirement depending on your location or where you conduct business. To start, first head over to your Squarespace home. Once you're logged in, locate the home page of your Squarespace account. This is essentially your command center where you'll find all your website management tools. Look for the Pages option and give it a click. This will take you to an area where you can manage all your current pages, as well as add new ones. Next, under the Not Linked section, you'll want to click on Add. The Not Linked section is perfect for pages you don't intend to show in your main navigation bar. This is ideal for things like a privacy policy, which might not need to be front and center, but is still crucial for your website visitors to access. Once you click Add, a menu of options will appear. Here, you should choose Page Layouts. Page layouts provide you with a variety of pre-designed templates so that you don't have to start from scratch, saving you both time and effort. From the list of layouts, select the Privacy Policy template. This template is designed specifically for what we need and comes with a basic structure that you can customize as necessary. After you've selected the privacy policy layout, it's time to choose a suitable privacy policy template. You'll find several options, each with its own style and structure. Choose the one that best fits the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for with your site. Once the template is added, you'll want to click on Edit. This brings you into Squarespace's intuitive editor where you can make changes to the page content. Here, you can modify the text to reflect your specific data protection practices, ensuring it is clear and transparent for visitors. With your content in place, click on Edit section to dive further into customization. Clicking on Design will give you options to adjust the overall feel of your page. Remember, this is all about creating a user-friendly and accessible experience. Then, if you want to tweak the background of your privacy policy page, simply click on Background. Here you can change the background image or color to better match your site's theme. Finally, refine the visual presentation by clicking on Colors. Adjusting colors can help make your text more readable and the page more visually appealing. And there you have it, a fully customized privacy policy page seamlessly integrated into your Squarespace site. Make sure to periodically review your privacy policy to ensure it stays up to date with any changes in data practices or regulations. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.